Every inch matters. We check for natural variations, ensuring perfect quality.
A high-precision laser cuts intricate patterns into the leather, blending technology with material.
Each piece is perfect, ready for the skilled hands that will transform them.
A strong bond is essential. Every application is precise, ensuring durability and finish. Each stitch is a testament to strength and beauty, securing the pieces perfectly. An artisan skillfully guides leather through the sewing machine, showcasing human control and dexterity.
See the form take shape. Each stitch holds the promise of a premium shoe.
An artisan meticulously lasts the shoe upper onto a mold, shaping its final form.
Technology assists, ensuring every curve is perfect, every contour precise.
The shoe upper, now perfectly lasted, reveals its smooth curves and defined shape.
The foundation of comfort begins here. Every detail counts, even what you don't see.
The welt is the soul of a shoe, hand-stitched for unparalleled strength and longevity.
An artisan deeply concentrates, meticulously hand-welting the shoe with practiced movements.
A perfect welt, the backbone of a shoe that can be repaired and cherished for years.
An artisan meticulously prepares the outsole, applying adhesive for a lasting bond.
Perfect alignment, firm pressure. The shoe's foundation is now complete.
A heavy-duty stitching machine robustly attaches the outsole, ensuring shoe longevity.
A close-up of the finished outsole stitching reveals robust, even stitches, guaranteeing durability.
The shoe is born. Its form, perfected by the last, is now ready for the next transformation. The heel is secured, providing stability and elegance. It's built to endure.
Now, the transformation to elegance begins. Each stroke brings out the leather's inherent beauty.
First, we awaken the leather, removing impurities, preparing it for its final luster.
We feed the leather, restoring its vitality, preparing it for a deep, lasting glow.
A close-up reveals a tin of premium shoe polish, highlighting its rich texture and quality.
Layer by layer, we build the mirror shine. It's a dance of pigment and leather.
The artisan vigorously buffs the shoe with a fine brush, transforming matte polish into radiant shine.
The mirror shine, a reflection of dedication, a mark of true quality.
Shoe trees are essential, preserving the shoe's form and absorbing moisture for lasting wear.
Every seam, every stitch, every curve must meet our exacting standards. Perfection is the goal.
Carefully packaged, ready to embark on their journey, a promise of enduring quality.
The shoebox lid gently closes, revealing the elegant brand logo, symbolizing completion.
A new day dawns. An artisan prepares their station, symbolizing fresh starts. Another day, another masterpiece waiting to be born from this exquisite material.
The artisan meticulously inspects a new cowhide, ensuring consistent quality control.
Precision cutting, day after day. It's the foundation of consistent quality.
Freshly cut leather pieces are organized on a new cart, ready for assembly's continuous flow. The same precision, day in and day out. It's how we achieve our signature finish. An artisan meticulously applies adhesive to new leather edges, ensuring consistent, strong bonds.
Bringing the pieces together, the first true form. It's a precise art.
Years of practice, flowing into every stitch. It's a continuous pursuit of perfection.
A new stitched shoe upper, identical to earlier examples, showcases consistent quality.
The leather yields to the last, taking on its destined form every time.
The lasting machine precisely molds a new leather upper, delivering repeatable results.
The form is perfected, ready for the next precise step in its creation.
The foundation is laid, precisely and securely, for comfort in every step.
Rhythm of the craft, passed down, ensuring every shoe meets our exacting standards.
A new finished welt showcases perfect, robust stitching, a hallmark of consistent quality.
The outsole, prepared for strength and grip. Consistency in every step.
Precision in every alignment, ensuring the outsole forms a seamless, strong bond.
Power of the machine, guided by skill, to create an unbreakable bond.
An artisan expertly guides a new shoe through the outsole stitcher, blending consistent skill and power.
A perfect stitch, a promise of durability, ready for a lifetime of wear.
The last reveals its work. A perfectly formed shoe, consistently crafted.
Every heel sculpted to perfection. No shortcuts, only dedication.
The heel, a pillar of support, is secured with unwavering strength. Consistently.
The final stage of artistry. Every shoe receives the same meticulous care. The first touch of elegance. Brushing prepares the leather consistently for its ultimate glow.
Quality conditioner, always. It's the secret to a supple, long-lasting finish.
Each shoe receives the same tender care, ensuring the leather's enduring health and beauty.
The best polish for the best leather. It's how we achieve our signature finish.
The first layer of polish, applied with careful hands, building a lasting brilliance.
The magic of the buff, transforming polish into a deep, captivating glow.
A new shoe's toe cap exhibits a mirror-like shine, consistently reflecting factory lights.
Preserving the form, absorbing moisture.
A small step for a long life.
Uncompromising standards. Every detail inspected, every time, for true quality.
Proved. A symbol of enduring quality, crafted with passion every single time.
Perfectly presented, ready for its new home. Our promise in every box.
The shoebox lid gently closes, revealing the brand logo, symbolizing consistent completion.
A display showcases various Nick shoes, all exhibiting the same high-quality finish. A close-up highlights a Nick shoe's intricate broguing, emphasizing fine craftsmanship.
Beyond craftsmanship, our shoes offer unparalleled comfort and timeless style for every occasion.
A firm foundation designed for grip and comfort, supporting you through every stride.